Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how you can download Instagram stories. So what you want to do guys, if you want to download your story, you can do that. If you want to download other people's stories, you can do that easily guys. If you want to download your stories, you just want to click three little dots at the very bottom right and then click save and then click save photo or video. Now if you want to download other people's stories, very easy too. All you have to do is you want to copy this username in the top, okay? You want to copy their username for then after you copy this username in the top left, you want to just open your browser. If you are using iPhone, you better use Safari. So if you are using Android, you can use any browser. Now what you want to do guys, you want to search for story saver. Yeah, you want to search for story saver.net. So as you can see here, I searched for story saver.net. Click go or search, and then what you want to do guys, you want to just enter the username here, the account username here, okay? Now after that guys, you want to click on download, as you can see, and then you want to check you are not a robot, and then you will see all the stories this person has posted on their Instagram. If this person has a story like video stories, you can click on save as video. If this person only posts photos, you can click on save as photo and then click download, and in the top left you will see this arrow, this blue arrow. Click on it and then click download, and you will find the stories here. Now let's say that you want to download highlight stories. Again, the same steps. Enter the username. I am not a robot. Traffic lights. I'm going to give yeah. All right. Now just wait and then click on show highlights. As you can see, archived stories. Click show highlights, and then it will give you. And then click again on show highlights, and then you can then save these videos, or you can just click the same thing, save as video. So I hope guys this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. See you guys in the next video. Leave a like.